Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a garage kit figure. Start with the basics of garage kit assembly. First, gather your essential tools, including a sharp hobby knife, various grits of sandpaper from 200 to 1000, and a good pair of nippers. Next, thoroughly clean all resin parts using warm, soapy water and a soft brush to remove any mold release agent. This crucial step ensures proper paint adhesion later on. Finally, inspect each piece carefully for any imperfections like seam lines or air bubbles, which you'll address in the next stage. Now, let's move on to assembly and refining your kit. Begin by carefully removing each part from its resin runner using a sharp hobby knife or nippers. Next, meticulously sand away all seam lines and mold flash, starting with a coarser grit and moving to a finer one, like 600 grit. For any air bubbles or gaps, apply a small amount of epoxy putty or a resin filler, allowing it to cure completely. Always test fit components before gluing to ensure a perfect, seamless connection. With your kit assembled, it's time for priming and painting. First, apply a thin, even coat of primer to all parts. This creates a uniform surface and helps your paint adhere better. For painting, use high-quality acrylic or lacquer paints, applying several thin layers rather than one thick coat to avoid obscuring details. An airbrush can provide a professional, smooth finish, but brush painting is also effective with patience. Remember to mask off areas for crisp color separation. For the final touches, focus on detailing and protection. Use very fine brushes to add intricate details, bringing your figure to life. Once all paint is dry, apply a protective clear coat, choosing between a matte, satin, or gloss finish based on your desired look. This layer shields your hard work from damage. Finally, carefully assemble all the painted components, ensuring each piece fits perfectly to complete your impressive, custom-built garage kit figure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.